In this video, I will show you how to enable limited comments on TikTok. First, you need to open up your profile section right here onto your account. Then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side, go for settings and privacy, and right after that, you need to go for the privacy, the second selection, then scroll down, go for comments, and what is the most important and figure out right here on this session, it is by scrolling down. Right here you're gonna be available to choose up between all of these setups which are on comment filters, but also you're gonna be available to choose on the first selection, which is who can comment on your videos and stories. And if you want to enable limited comments, you need just to go for followers that you follow back, or you're gonna go just for followers, whatever you want. But also this will take that enable session for limiting comments on your TikTok, and this will brings you to the main point.